Good afternoon, my students. So in today's video, I'm gonna continue to talk about what are planets and stars. Yesterday, we started talking about planets and I showed you some videos about them. And this lesson starts at page 318. So you have to open your books at page 318, okay? So let us see what we have to know about this lesson. What is a planet? What is a planet? When I say the word planet, okay? It is a large ball of rock or gas that moves around the sun. So here we have the sun, okay, in the middle, and we have planets all around it. So these are large balls of rocks or gas that move around the sun, okay? Okay. So how many planets do we have? How many planets do we have? In your book, they're telling us, or they say that we have 8 planets. And actually it is true. We have 8 planets, okay? Pluto, the last planet that some people claim that it is a planet. It's not a planet, okay? First of all, they consider it, or at first they considered it as a planet. Then they decided to remove it from the planets. So we have only 8 planets, okay? We have to know that. So what are these, or what are the planets that we have? We have Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, and Venus, okay? These are the planets that we have in our solar system. So this is a picture that shows the solar system. And as you can see, we have here 9 planets, but actually there are 8 planets. Okay, we're gonna follow the book and it says that we have 8 planets, not 9 planets. So planets, the sun and the moons are parts of what? Of the solar system. So if I ask you, what can we find inside the solar system? You have to tell me that we can find planets, the sun and moons there, okay? And as you can see here, we have a sun and we have planets all around it, and we have to know which planet is the nearest planet to the sun and which planet is the farthest, okay? So you have to know these things. Okay, so here, okay, we have another picture that shows the sun and like the planets that we have. And we have just, here I'm telling you that some people say that there are 9 planets, yet others say or claim that they are 8. Actually, Pluto was discovered in 1930, but okay, at that time they considered it as a planet, but they stopped considering it as a planet, I guess 2006, I'm not sure, but I need you to know that we have only 8, not 9, okay? So as you can see, again, what are the planets that we have? We have the sun. Oh, sorry. The sun is not a planet. It is a star, right? So the sun is a star, and we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, okay? So let us look here. We have to ask ourselves, do all planets look the same? No, the planets look different. As you can see, we have different looks, different shapes or sizes. No, not shapes, sorry, sizes. So we have different sizes and looks, okay? They don't look the same, so they look different. As you can see, Earth is different than Mars, and Jupiter is different than Saturn, and Uranus is different than Neptune, right? So we have to ask ourselves another question. Do all planets have the same size? No, they have different sizes, right? Okay, I don't think this picture shows exactly how planets are different, but here, as you can see, we have some planets that are big and some planets that are small. Some planets are smaller than the others and so on, okay? So they have different, they look different? they have different sizes. And also we have to know that they are different distances from the sun. So we have to know that the Earth, okay, is not the nearest planet to the sun. If it was the nearest planet in this, to the sun, then we could have died, like, or we could have not existed, like, from the first place or in the first place. So which planet, or we have to ask ourselves this question, which planet is the farthest from the sun? The farthest means, this word means that, okay, that which planet is the the farthest, okay? It's like the farthest, okay? But if we say the farthest, okay? So which one is the, farthest? Okay, look at this one. What do they call the blue planet? It is Neptune, okay? So the farthest planet from the sun is Neptune, okay? And which planet is the nearest? Nearest means the closest, okay? Which one is the closest? It is Mercury. As you can see, here we have it, okay, in the first orbit. So it is the nearest planet, okay, from the sun. Then we have Venus, then we have Earth, then we have Mars, then we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the last one, the farthest, is Neptune, okay? If Pluto was considered a planet, then they would have said Pluto is the farthest. But here, the farthest is Neptune, and the nearest is Mercury, okay? That is what I need you to know about this lesson, or yesterday's lesson. This was a quick review of what we talked about yesterday. And again, what is a planet? It is a large ball of rock or gas that moves around the sun. They're all around it and they move, okay? They don't stay in the same place, they move. They move around. So the Earth can be placed instead of Mercury and Uranus and so ever. So they move all around the sun, okay? That is what I need you to know. If you have any questions, just ask me. And okay, I need you to write two sentences about what you learned from this video, so I can know who understood the video and who did not understand the video, okay? Okay, guys, please do that. And take care of yourselves. Have a nice day.